Introduction about the GUI application. In the ever evolving realm of e-commerce, the role of a well-designed graphical user interface, that is called a GUI application, cannot be underestimated. It serves as the constant for captivating mobile app user experiences. Crafting an Equity GUI application equals a meticulous blend of aesthetics, functionality, and user-centric design principles. This introduction dives into the art of empowering e-commerce through the creation of a visually stunning and user-friendly mobile app design. Importance of e-commerce. A well-designed GUI application for e-commerce is crucial for success in the digital marketplace. It enhances user experience, increases convention, and build brand loyalty. A visual appealing and user-friendly mobile app design allows customers to effortlessly navigate and engage with your product, leading to improved customer satisfaction and ISLs. Role of GUI in mobile app design. The role of GUI in mobile app design for e-commerce. Here the mobile app design. This is the code for the e-commerce by using e-commerce mobile design by using GUI application. This is the product HTML code, and this is user HTML code, and this one is the design. Understanding user experience UX principles to craft an Equisite GUI application for mobile app design in e-commerce. It's crucial to understand and implement user experience principles by considering factors such as intuitive navigation, visually appealing interfaces, seamless checkout processes, and personalized recommendations. So you can enhance user satisfaction and drive conversion rate for your e-commerce mobile application. And fifth one is the designing user friendly navigation. When designing the navigation for your e-commerce mobile application, priority user friendliness, create a clear and intuitive menu structure, and use familiar icons and labels, and ensure easy access to essential features like search and cart. Consider implementing additional navigation elements such as breadcrumbs and filters to help users find what they are looking for efficiently. Optimizing visual elements for mobile screens. When it comes to crafting an Equisite GUI application for mobile app design, optimizing visual elements in crucial. Pay attention to font sizes, color, and contrast to ensure readability, and smaller screens use high quality images and icons that are visually appealing and help user navigate the app effortless. Keep the interfaces clean and uncluttered, avoiding unnecessary distractions that can hinder the user experience. Seventh one is implementing interactive features and gestures. In addition to optimizing visual elements, implementing interactive features and gestures is essential for crafting an Equisite GUI application for mobile app design. Eighth one is enhancing security measures for e-commerce apps. Here, ensuring the security of e-commerce apps is crucial for protecting user data and building trust. Implementing secure authentication methods such as the biometric recognition or multi-factor authentication. You can enhance app security using encryption techniques to safeguard sensitive information during transit and storage is important. Regular software updates and vulnerability testing are also essential to address any potential security loopholes. And next one is integrating payment gateways and shopping carts to create a seamless e-commerce experience. Integrating reliable payment gateways and efficient shopping carts is crucial. Payment gateways ensures secure and convenient transactions, while shopping carts allow users to easily add, remove, and manage their purchases. By implementing these features in your GUI application, you can provide a smooth and trustworthy platform for customers to make their online purchases. Your conclusion is creating an exceptional GUI application for mobile app design is essential for empowering e-commerce. By integrating reliable payment gateways and efficient shopping carts, you can provide a seamless online shopping experience. This will build trust, increase customer satisfaction, and ultimately drive more sales. Remember to prioritize user experience, security, and convenience to ensure your GUI application stands out in the competitive e-commerce market. Nowadays, commonly used e-commerce mobile app designed to shopping the dresses and etc. And thank you for watching.